Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do this. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to get this interaction with Figma using simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to create this line here, this line moving. So let's create it. So we're going to draw L for line. So we'll go with 330. 330 is okay. 330. Make it very thick fold. Then give it a color. Let's use green. Let's use this green. Yes. And then Shift A. The line in Shift A. Yes. Then increase the height. Let's check the height here. Let's put it here so that we'll show what we're doing. Let's check the height. Yeah. So the width is 340. Make this 340. Put it in the middle. So as we're checking the height, I want it long. So let me take it up a little bit. This green is off. Let's change the green color. Let me use text. Yeah, better. So let's check again whether this is okay. Sorry, I'm keeping clean. I think I'll leave it as 330. The length will be at 330. And then also the color. Let's put the color back where it was. Let's go with that color. That color is good. Right, easy identification. So we already have one. We're going to name this one. We're going to name this start. And then holding shift, and you drag, you put it in the middle. And this is middle. Holding shift again, holding alt, drag. This will be end. And then place it to light. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to put it in middle, not middle. Put them in the middle. Middle. Now we've had this all. Then we're going to select all. And then click on components and create component sets. Exactly. Then we're going to add our prototypes. Yes. And click on prototype. You drag to this. And you click on tap after delay. Then MS, depending on what you want to change to. Animation. Animation will be smart animation. Or let's use instance. Let's try instance first. Let's know. Do I always use smart? So interaction. Sorry. This to this. After delay. 10 ms. 10 ms. Change to. Let's leave it at instance. And then for the last one, end, drag the arrow back to start. Click on after delay. 20 ms. 20. Oh, sorry. 10 ms. 10 ms. Then click on this. Control C. Then go back to design. And Control C. And Control V. placing it inside. So section is very well. Yeah. Yes. It's in the middle now. Let's play our prototype just to be sure. So it didn't work. Let's change it to Smart Animate. So I changed the animation to Smart Animate and it started working properly. Check out my other videos on components. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Until next time.